What if your old photos could move? Old photos aren't just faces, they're moments, stories, and emotions. Maybe it's your parents' wedding day, your grandparents' proud graduation, or a loved one you still miss deeply. Imagine your grandparents smiling at you again, or a loved one giving you a gentle nod as if they were right here, right now, and your children seeing these faces come alive for the first time, smiling, nodding, even saying hello. Welcome to Deevid AI Lab. I'm David. Great to have you back for another episode in the Deevid AI Academy series. In the past two videos, I've walked you through the two most important core functions in AI video creation: image-to-video AI and text-to-video AI. From now on, I'll be taking these core tools and showing you step-by-step how to apply them to real-world creative scenarios. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss the upcoming step-by-step application tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to use image-to-video AI to bring old photos to life in just a few minutes using nothing more than a single picture. Step 1. Upload the right photo. Let's start by clicking the link in the video description to open the Deevid AI image-to-video page. As I mentioned in my basic image-to-video tutorial, the underlying logic is simple. The AI generates a frame-by-frame video based on the image you provide, which means the better your input, the better your output. For turning old photos into video, here's what makes a good input. The face is clear and in focus, with no heavy shadows. The person is facing the camera or slightly angled. The image is high resolution. Avoid blurry or heavily pixelated scans, and avoid photos where the face is obscured by objects or uneven lighting. And if this doesn't sound familiar, I strongly recommend you watch my basic image-to-video tutorial in the Deevid AI Academy playlist. It'll help you follow my upcoming advanced lessons and build a more complete understanding of AI video creation. Once you have a photo that meets these standards, go ahead and upload it. Step 2. Decide how you want them to move. Next, think carefully about what you want the person in the photo to do. This becomes your prompt. Usually it's a combination of a small action and a natural expression, both based on the context of the original photo. I suggest describing possible movements and facial expressions, such as smiling warmly, blinking naturally, nodding politely, lifting their head to respond, slowly turning as if looking at the camera. For this demo, I'll enter the prompt: smiling warmly and naturally. Step 3. Generate and refine. Once your photo and prompt are ready, select the Quality V2 model. Choose your resolution and video length. Different choices consume different amounts of credits. For this scenario, I recommend 1080p and 5 seconds. 1080p will give you better detail, and 5 seconds is plenty for this type of animation. Click Create and wait a few minutes. You'll have a lifelike video of the person in your photo. You can preview it directly on the platform. If you're not satisfied with the details, click Reprompt and adjust your description. Then generate again until you're happy. A quick note about credits. I often get emails asking, "Why do I lose credits even if I don't like the result? Are you making money from that?" It's a good question, and it comes down to how AI works. The moment you click Create, the model starts processing and consuming compute power. That cost is real and irreversible. The credits aren't paying for the video itself, they're paying for the computation. This is the same on any platform. The only exception is if the generation fails. In that case, your credits are automatically refunded. So, if you want to use fewer credits while still getting great results, the key is to improve your prompt writing skills and learn how to combine different AI video features effectively. And that's exactly what you'll learn by following my tutorials. When you're happy with the result, click Download to get a clean, watermark-free video. Now let's talk about improving your old photos before animating them, including boosting clarity and adding color. I've tested nearly every AI photo restoration tool available. Most either sharpen only the face and ignore the background details, or completely rebuild the image, changing the person so much they barely resemble the original. After a lot of testing, I found the tool with the best overall results: GPT-5. Here's how I use it. Open ChatGPT, upload the old photo, and enter this prompt: restore this old photo to look as if it was taken today with high-resolution digital cameras without changing anything about the image. Just repair it, clean it, sharpen it. If you also want to add color, simply change it to restore and color this old photo to look as if it was taken today with high-resolution digital cameras without changing anything about the image. Just repair it, clean it, sharpen it. The results can be stunning both in detail and in consistency. But remember, no AI can guarantee identical results every time. If the output doesn't match your subject well, try uploading and running the prompt again. Sometimes the next attempt will get it right. If you want a faster option, Deevid AI has its own AI image feature. Just upload your photo, use the same restoration prompt, choose the V2 model, 4 outputs, and generate. The results aren't quite as precise as GPT-5, but it's much faster and produces 4 images at once. You can compare the restoration results from ChatGPT and from Deevid AI side by side, and then decide which one works best for your needs. No matter what kind of old photo you have or how you want to use it, all of this comes back to one thing: preserving and reimagining memories. And with the right feature combinations, you can create some really unique results, such as making them talk and creating composites. First, making your old photos talk. Once you have a clear, restored image, follow the same steps as before, but select the Master V2 model, the only model that supports generating audio, along with video. Then choose 1008 tip. Keep in mind, Master V2 currently only supports up to 8 seconds. And if you're following closely, you've probably figured it out by now. All you need to do is writing your prompt to describe the person's actions, expressions, and exactly what they should say, keeping the spoken line within 8 seconds. Generate, and you'll have your old photo speaking to you.
Guys, got the news, coming home soon. Can't wait to hug y'all tight. Missed you like crazy.
Second, creating composites like updated family portraits. On the Image to Video AI page, find the reference image feature and click it. Upload your main family photo plus the old portrait you want to include. In your prompt, describe the scene you want, select quality v1.5, and set the other options as needed. In this case, my prompt is father, mother, and daughter in image 1, along with the man in image 2. Stand together and smile naturally at the camera, just like a family portrait. Click Create, and you'll get a new family portrait that includes your chosen subject. You can also blend in seasonal backgrounds. For example, upload a Christmas background along with an old photo, describe the final video, choose quality v1.5, and generate. And of course, you can do the same for other holidays like Mother's Day, Father's Day, and more. If you want an even faster way to add a seasonal theme, Deevid AI's AI effects section has ready-made templates like AI Santa transformation. Just upload your photo, pick the resolution, click Create, and you'll instantly get a festive video. And there are plenty more effects you can explore. That's the full tutorial on bringing old photos to life. Click the link in the description to try it yourself. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who would love to see their own memories revived. And if you have questions or topics you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments. I read every single one and reply. And, of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. I'm David. See you next time.